In this video, we'll show you the easiest way to test if your fuel pump is working, and it only takes 1 minute and a simple tool. Let's get to it. On modern cars, the fuel pump is located inside the fuel tank and is very difficult to reach. You often have to remove the fuel tank to get to the pump, and let's be honest, you don't want to do all that if you don't have to. Luckily, there's a much easier way to test if it's still pumping fuel. The first method is to listen if the fuel pump activates. When you turn the ignition on, the fuel pump primes the fuel lines and puts pressure on them. So if you turn the key on, you should hear the fuel pump engage, although it's sometimes difficult to hear. The other method is much easier, and all you need is a screwdriver or anything else that's hard and pointy. Open the hood and look at your engine. To the side, you'll see the fuel rail, which delivers fuel to the fuel injectors. Somewhere on that rail, there will be a plastic cap covering the Schrader valve, which is a self-sealing one-way valve that you can use to measure fuel pressure. Remove the cap, grab some paper towels, and use the screwdriver to push the Schrader valve in and release the fuel pressure. With the pressure gone, you now want to turn the ignition on for a few seconds and back off again so the fuel pump primes the fuel line. Now when you check the Schrader valve again, the fuel rail should be pressurized if the pump is working. If there's no pressure on the fuel rail, the pump is not working. It's that simple, and it only takes a minute. This of course does not mean that there's enough fuel pressure, but we'll show you how to test this in a separate video, so make sure to check it out. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. We've got a lot of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.